Look at our street. It gets a lot. I think because we're really high up here. At the top of the mountain. It's windy. Look, see
Pretty snowed up out here.
Huh?
Pretty snowed up.
Yeah. Yeah, for some reason this street gets loud. Poor Mimi's gonna have to be like freezing when he goes pee.
What time did Brad leave today?
Before. He came in very little.
Oh, we put the chandelier up.
Yeah.
It's only last 1 minute.